because the policies of the president are good. So there is a wholesome cake of goodies sprinkled inside the cake because of the policy of President in every aspect. Mabillionaire wodzoka. Takuvaka ma-steel plants. You know Manise is 90% complete. Manise steel plant, 90% complete. Anytime we can start, we just need to connect the electricity. We're going to produce electricity, world class, iron, steel. Zimbabwe, by the best company in the whole world, will be producing and selling not to the Zimbabwe market alone, to the global market. Railways will have to be built. Power is being built. New towns are being built. New water to support a town of 40,000. In 4 or 5 years of his leader. Can you imagine what he's going to do if he comes back in after 23 August? Even more goodies to make Zimbabwe an upper middle income society as he has promised in his vision. So this is the complete electoral picture which ZANU PF is selling to the public, to the electorate, come elections. It will be a whitewash of opposition. That's why they are being abandoned by those who used to support them. Akuchina achawasapota vanhu vakaona munhu ano tinonzi opposition yanhuhwa wangonhuhwa chete vanhu vanokutiza and isusu vezanu PF tiri imbwa iri kuvhima ikangoruma ikambonanzva ropa mamhanyira inoita kuda kunopedzesa mhuka yeyo. So we feel that we have smelled blood. The Triple C is finished, and we are going to make sure that the electorate give them the fatal blow come elections 23 August 2023. Yes, and because it's an open election, the president says, observers. Remember I told you, Chatinakira, everybody is gunning for, everybody is voting for us. Everybody is bullish about the prospects of ZANU PF. So we are opening the observers. Because those are just talking about violence. This time invite them observers as a government. We can't invite observers when we want to hide some things or when we want to be involved in